Good morning, everyone. I am Sana and I feel honored to welcome you all to today's morning assembly.
A very cheerful morning to respected principal ma'am or sir, teachers and my dear friends. Let's begin this beautiful day with positive energy and determination.
Let's start by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I invite Fiza to lead us in the morning prayer.
Thank you, Fiza, for that soulful prayer. Now let's move on to the thought of the day. I invite Hiba to share it with us.
That was truly inspiring. Now it's time to catch up with what's happening around the world. Let's welcome Sobia for the news headlines.
Thank you for keeping us updated. Now let's enjoy a short speech on topic Honesty is the best policy by Fiza Ahmed.
Thank you, Fiza Ahmad, for that informative speech. Now let's all get ready for the national anthem.
With that, we come to the end of today's assembly. Thank you everyone for your attention. Let's move ahead with positivity and purpose. Have a great day ahead.